Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Frameo reset button how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to reset your Frameo, what you need to do is look at the back side of your Frameo frame. Now once you look at the back side, you'll be seeing something like this, right? Now in this part, what you'll find is a small button, something like this. Now all you gotta do is press this button with something thin, that might be your seam educator tool or your needle. Now once done, using your remote, what you can do is on the screen you'll find the option that says wipe data or factory reset, right? So all you gotta do is select the wipe data or factory reset using your remote, and once you do that, the next screen will ask you to confirm if you are sure to factory reset or not. All you gotta do is just select yes right here. Now once you do that, all the settings will be factory reset. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.